Are your priorities holding you back from becoming the best you ever? What does the best version of you look like? Seriously, think about that for a minute. You're reading this right now because you want to grow and improve. Your current reality might be good, but you know it can still improve. You want to do something to change in some way so that your experiences change. You realize your relationships, financial picture, or health can improve. So you're taking action. For people like you that are driven to create significant and positive change, effort or desire is never in low supply. You've probably tried to do things in the past to create change. Maybe you succeeded at some level. Many of us who attempt to create better versions of ourselves will find early success only to eventually return to the undesired reality where we started. This can happen when priorities are out of place. You know what you want, you consciously desire to become better, you gather the knowledge, you take action and are determined to create the desired result. That can't happen if your priorities aren't in line with what you tell yourself you want to accomplish. Change your priorities, and you can change your experience. If you want better, more fulfilling, and healthier relationships, what are you doing to make that happen? Do you have a detailed game plan? Or do you work on strengthening your relationship whenever you think about it? What we're talking about are priorities. You may desire a wonderful relationship more than just about anything else. That will not happen if your actions reveal that you prioritize other activities ahead of strengthening your relationship. You might be working too much. Your idea is that the more money you can make, the better reality you can give your significant other. So you pour yourself into your job and have very little time to spend with the person that's so important to you. In this situation, you need to prioritize more time working on your relationship and less time on your job. Look at what you do habitually. You might not consciously prioritize activities and habits that deliver a negative experience. It may be happening unconsciously. If the things you do regularly aren't creating the best version of yourself, change your priorities. When you prioritize making changes that relate to your core values and beliefs, you'll see more success in creating that reality.